Narcissistic behavior involves a complex mindset where narcissists view people as easily replaceable objects. They live in a self-created universe, treating individuals much like material possessions that can be discarded and replaced at will. This perception leads them to believe that people, like broken items, are mere inconveniences rather than significant parts of their lives. In reality, human relationships are vastly different from this narcissistic viewpoint. When a narcissist loses someone who genuinely cared for them, made sacrifices, and was committed to the relationship, it is a significant blow. However, narcissists often overlook this loss, continuing to exploit those around them to serve their own needs. They lack empathy and fail to understand the repercussions of their actions, leading to a point where the other person must walk away to protect themselves from emotional harm. Narcissists tend to assume that they can easily find someone new to fulfill their needs, believing that people are interchangeable. They seek out individuals who align with their desires and can replenish their narcissistic supply. However, they soon realize that finding such individuals is not as easy as they imagined. People are not like commodities that can be consumed and replaced at will. The narcissist's actions often lead to a realization that the pool of people willing to tolerate their behavior is limited. The moment a narcissist realizes the value of everything you gave them can be profound, they must confront the stark contrast between their grandiose self-perception and the reality of their relationships. This wake-up call forces them to grapple with the discrepancy between their inflated image and the actual difficulty of maintaining relationships. Narcissists view relationships as a constant search for new sources of admiration and validation. Initially, they might attract people with a facade of giving, but this quickly shifts to relentless taking, creating an unsustainable dynamic. Eventually, they face the reality that casual encounters lack the depth and commitment of genuine relationships. Understanding that narcissists cannot easily replace you can be a powerful tool in your recovery process. Realizing your unique worth and value can help restore your self-esteem and prevent you from returning to a toxic relationship. Embracing this understanding allows you to move forward with a healthier, more optimistic outlook, knowing that you are irreplaceable and valuable. In essence, the narcissist's distorted perception of people as replaceable objects often leads to the loss of meaningful relationships. This realization can be a significant blow to their inflated ego. However, for those who have broken away from a narcissist, understanding their own value and worth can be a powerful step towards healing and moving forward in a positive direction.